Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn your sketch into animation using Meta DemoLab. Make sure your drawing is saved as a transparent PNG image. This will help the animation work perfectly. Now open your browser and go to sketch.metademolab.com. Click on Try It Now to get started. Upload your image. Now simply click Next step by step through the option. Just keep clicking Next until the process is complete. Your animation is now ready. You can choose from different animation style to see which one looks best. Click on Full Screen, then right click and select Save Video As. Thanks for watching.